Good morning, students, to my online class. I am Sharad Kharat from Mumbai Municipal Corporation, and my school name is Dharavi TC Municipal English School number 2. And before starting our lesson, we will start it with good thought. Who will read this thought? Anyone from you, please? Yes, beta. Read this thought.
Success consists of going from failure to failure without loss of
Enthusiasm.
enthusiasm.
Yes, very good. And the meaning of this thought is that success consists of going from failure to failure. When we want to do one work or complete any work, that time we face many failure to failure. But at that time, we have to keep the enthusiasm and keep doing that work until we get success. So this is the meaning of this thought. Do you understand?
Yes.
Very
Yes.
good. Okay. Can you see this picture now?
Yes.
What do you see in the
Yes.
picture?
Family.
Family. And there are family members. Girl, boy, man, woman. All these are, we say these are people. Who are they?
People. People.
Yes, very good. They are people. And this picture?
Animal. Animals.
Which animals are they?
Alligator, lion, panda, camel, pig, dog, cat, horse, sheep, hen, fox, cow, deer, giraffe, duck, snake.
Yes, means all these are animals. Very good. And this picture, can you see?
Yes. No, sir.
Wait, you will see. Wait for 2-3 seconds more. Can you see now?
Yes.
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 What do you see in the picture?
Tree.
Which tree is
Mango
this?
tree.
Mango tree.
Mango tree.
Do you like mango to eat?
Yes.
Yes, I also like
Yes.
mangoes to eat. Okay. And this picture?
Soil.
Soil. What is color of soil?
Brown.
Brown, or we can say reddish brown. It's soil. All plants and crops grows on soil only. Okay, and now
River.
river. And what is there in the river?
Water.
Water. And what is outside the river?
Trees.
Trees. Means without water, trees can't grow. Water is useful for drinking, for plants, and for all animals. And what is this?
Chapter number?
Wait. I will tell you. Just wait for 1 more minute. And can you see this picture?
Yes.
And what is this?
Sun.
Sun. You can see sunlight in the sky, and sun is shining in the sky, and sun rays are falling on the earth. So sun is also important. So what do we call animal, plants, soil, water, sunlight, wind around ourselves? What do we call?
Environment. Things.
Yes, very good. So student, today we all are going to learn the topic, and the topic is the environment and us. Topic number 18, EVS 1. So student, the environment means the environment include everything, means which is present, everything that is living and everything that is non-living. And living things such as peoples, animals, plants, and non-living things such as soil, water, sunlight, wind, and everything we see in our surrounding includes environment. and they all together makes the environment. Do you understand now? Do you understand now what is mean by environment?
Yes.
Can you tell me now what is mean by environment?
Environment means living things like sunlight. We also plants, etc.
And non-living things, and which non-living things comes in environment?
Uh,
Soil, water,
water.
sunlight, wind, chair, table, everything that we see in our surrounding all together makes the environment. Is it right, beta? Okay. What do you see in the picture now? What do you see in the picture now? Can you see this picture?
Yes.
There are two pictures, and can you differentiate between these two pictures?
There are many trees, and these trees are cotton.
Yes. In these two picture, you can see in one side there is green jungle, forest, and there are so many trees, plants, and other animals. And in other picture, you see that trees are cut down and open space is made. Is it right?
No.
No, it is, yeah, no, it is not right. But we have to make space, so peoples are cutting the trees and forest. So this is known as deforestation. This is known as what?
Deforestation.
Deforestation. Deforestation means cutting the trees, plants, forests to make the open spaces for agriculture, for housing. This is known as deforestation, means cutting the trees. Yes. So on the basis of this picture, can you tell me, if we cut the forest, will water and food sources for living things grow or dwindle? Grow means increase and dwindle means decrease. If we cut the forest, will water and food sources for living things grow or reduce?
Reduce.
Yes, very good. It will be reduced because we are cutting the trees and we are cutting the forest. So there will be no water, there will be no trees. So living things, animal and plants can't live there. So they will decrease. Will the living things look for shelter elsewhere or stay on same place? If we cut trees,
Look for shelters.
yes, they will look for shelter for other place, and so there will be very competition to live in one place. So other plants come to that place. Will the space occupied by the plants and animal increase or decrease? Will the space occupied by the plants and animals increase or decrease? Can you tell me? If we cut the forest, place will
Decrease.
decrease. Place will be decreased. There will be no place to live plants and animals. Very good. Will the number of living things increase or decrease if we cut the forest?
Decrease.
Yes, living things will be decreased and environment, there will not be an balance in the environment. So all environment will be disturbed, and that if environment is disturbed, we have to face many problems and many challenges. So in order to keep the environment clean and neat, we have to keep the environment clean, and we do not cut the trees. Can you see this picture?
Yes.
What do you see in the picture?
Railway track.
Railway tracks. So making railway tracks, we are cutting trees, plants. So that is why deforestation is happening. And this picture,
Road.
road. And road is also made on the cutting trees and plants. So this is also one major reason of deforestation. And now this picture, village, or we can say these are agriculture field. Is it right?
Yes.
Yes. So making agriculture field also deforestation is happening. We cut the trees and plants and everything which comes in making the agriculture field. So this is also one major reason behind deforestation.
But
And this picture,
factory.
yes, factory. So to make a setup of factory also, we cut the trees, and that's why uh, industrial area is also the reason behind deforestation. And this picture,
House. So many houses.
yes, these are the houses. There are large towers, buildings, and today also we all are living in good houses, and that is happening due to we have cut down the trees. Yes.
Yes.
So this is also the major reason behind deforestation. Now itself you are living in the houses, and that before making these houses there were so many plants and trees. So we have cut the trees and made the houses on that place. Today you and me all living on the that houses. Is it right, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So to conclude, we can say a deforestation is happening due to there are so many reasons, but we can say that there is increased population. The population of the world is now close to 600 crore. Now close to 600 crore, and man is developing new technology to meet the needs of all these people and using up more and more land and water resources for this purpose. That's why deforestation is happening. And second reason, development of new technology. So due to development of technology also, the trees and plants are cut down and water resources are using maximum. That's why deforestation is also happening. And more and fourth reason, space required for agriculture, housing, industry. Just now we have seen how agriculture fields are made. They are made by cutting the trees. Housing, many big cities and towns, they are all are made by cutting the trees. And again we can see industrial area. Every district place has industrial area, and that industrial area is made only by cutting the trees and plants. So this is also the one reason. And we can say for building roads and railways, to make railway run, we make the railway tracks, and for making railway tracks we have to cut the trees. So these all are the reasons behind deforestations. Can you tell me any two reasons behind deforestation? Hello, can you tell me any two reasons behind deforestation?
Yes, sir.
Yes beta, tell me.
Because of things
Yes.
we made.
Yes. And
We made houses also with wood.
yes, so that's why deforestation is happening. Very good. And other reason, can you tell me one more reason? Development of new. Very good. Can you see this picture now? Can you see this picture?
Yes.
What do you see in the
Yes.
picture? What do you see in the picture?
Relation between animals.
Relation between plants and animals. And which plants are there?
Corn, carrot, grass.
Grass. And which animals are fed on them?
Rat, rabbit, grasshopper.
Grasshopper. And which other animals fed on rat, rabbit, and grasshoppers?
Owl, fox, frog.
Yes. And which animal eats the fox?
Lion,
Lion. And which bird eats the python?
eagle,
Eagle. And who eats the rat?
owl.
Owl. Means this is the food chain. We can say this is the food chain. Means there is a corn. If rat eat the corn, rat will get energy and he can live. And when owl see rat, owl eat the rat. So all the plants and all the animals are interdependent on each other. We know that corn, carrots, and grass, all these plants and grass are grown on a soil. Okay. And if they grow, the animals like rat, rabbit, grasshopper, deer, all the animals eat that grass and they fill their stomach, they get energy and they can live. And other animals like owl, fox, python, all these animals eat the animals like rat, rabbit, grasshoppers. So they are interdependent on each other. Owl, lion, and eagle, they eat the fox, rat, and python. So this is the chain of food. If we disturb one of them, suppose if we cut the corn, carrots, and grass, what will happen? Can you imagine? If there is no corn, there is no carrot, and there is no grass, what will happen? Imagine what will happen.
We will not get corn, carrots, and
Yes.
grass.
Yes. Means rat can't get his food, rabbit will not get his food, and grasshopper will also not get his food. So all they will die. And if they will die, the animals like owl, fox, python, lion, and eagle, all these animal will not get their food, and all the food chain will be disturbed. And if the food chain will be disturbed, the environment balance will be collapsed. And if the environment balance is collapsed, all the plants, all the animals, and every living and non-living thing on the earth will be disturbed and will be destroyed. Do you understand?
Yes.
Yes. Means if we do not eat for 3 or 4 days, what will happen? Can you tell me? If we do
We
not
will
eat,
have so hungry.
yes, if we feel so angry, and again if we will not eat again for 3 to 4 days, what will happen? We will get hungry,
will
hungry,
die.
and we will die. So in order to live, we have to eat the food, and if we have to eat the food, then we have to maintain the environment balance. What we will have to maintain? What will we have to maintain, beta?
We will
Environment,
have to maintain food chain.
food chain, and environment balance. Very good. Okay. So we have seen deforestation was the one reason behind disturbance in environment balance. And one more reason is there, which is causing balance of environment, we can say, that is pollution. Can you tell me what types of pollution is there?
Noise pollution, water pollution, air pollution, soil pollution.
And radioactive pollution. Means these are the types of pollution. These pollutions are also causing giving harm to the environment. They are disturbing the balance of an environment. So we will study them in detail. So can you see this picture? Can you see the picture?
Yes.
What do you see in the picture? What do you see in the picture?
City,
City,
homes,
home,
cropland,
yes,
animal feedlot,
yes,
wastewater treatment plant.
yes. Means one river is there, big river is there, and there you see city street, rural homes, non-point sources, cropland, animal feedlot, point sources. Means all these things, they are throwing their wastewater into the river, and river is getting polluted. River is getting
Pollution.
polluted. So water pollution is happening there. What is happening there?
Water pollution.
Yes. And is it good for environment?
No.
Yes. Means we have to stop the water pollution, and if we stop the water pollution, we can save our environment from balancing. So these are the reason behind disturbance in the environment. Okay. And these are the ill effects of water and soil pollution. If we pollute soil and water, then what will happen? See, wastewater from factories make all water polluted. Chemical fertilizers and pesticides are used on a large scale for agriculture. So oil get polluted. We know nowadays while doing agriculture, all farmers are using chemical fertilizer, and if they use chemical fertilizer in their field or in their agriculture, what happens when rain comes? Rainflow mix with the fertilizer, and they take the fertilizer with them, and that water gets mixed with the river, and they, at that time, soil and water both pollution is there, and that polluted soil finally flow into rivers with rainwater and pollute the water. This polluted water and soil is dangerous for plants and animals. When the other animals which are living in forest and which are living in the farm, all these animals drink such water, and if they drink such water, they will get ill and environment will be collapse. That is why their number, and eventually they die out altogether and become extinct. So this is the reason behind why they are decreasing their number and why they are dying. So all these are the bad effects of water and soil pollution. Do you understand, beta? Can I move to the next slide?
Yes.
Okay. And what do you see in the picture? Can you see the picture?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. What do you see? Tell me.
Noise pollution.
And why noise pollution is happening?
There are trains, speakers.
Train, speakers,
Cars and aeroplanes.
aeroplane, and traffic jam, and horn of the vehicles. Yes.
Yes.
So all these are the reason behind noise pollution. Do you understand what is meant by noise pollution?
Yes.
Means pollution happening due to any noise which are due to very high volume. So we can say there is a noise pollution. And problems of noise pollutions are there. If we face problem, hearing impairment, we can't hear properly, it decreases the efficiency of a man. Lack of concentration, if there is so sound, we can't concentrate on our work, on our study, or on our any work. Abortion is caused, pupil dilation, mental illness, causes heart attack, and digestive problem. Digestive problem is also the reason. This is the problem due to noise pollution. Temporary or permanent deafness, aggressive behavior, effect on vegetation, poor quality of crops, effect of animal and plants. Means we can face all the problem due to noise pollution. So in order to keep the noise pollution under control, what should we do? What Yes, beta. Yes, we should not make noise, and if we are playing any TV set or any music, then we have to keep in control volume. Is it right?
Yes.
Yes. So these all things, small things we can do to control the noise pollution. And now can you see the picture?
Yes.
And what is there in the picture?
Air pollution.
Air pollution. And why air pollution is happening?
Because we made factories.
Yes, and the chimneys of the factories are throwing
The
dust, and air is polluted. And if there is air pollution, we have to face many problems: respiratory problem, chest pain, coughing, nausea, asthma, ear infection, and lung cancer. So all these problems are due to air pollution. And can you tell me, there are other many problems that are due to air pollution? Can you tell me?
cancer,
Cancer,
kidney,
kidney liver damage,
skin rashes,
skin rashes. Very good.
development or problems in children,
Yes, very good.
nervous system damage,
Yes.
cough, throat,
Cough, throat irritation,
throat irritation, breath defects,
miscarriages,
miscarriages, asthma, chronic
bronchitis, yes, and cancer. So all these are the bad effects of which pollution?
air pollution.
Yes. So in order to make to control the air pollution, what should we do and what can we do?
We cannot build factories.
Yes, we minimize the number of factories, and if it is our need, and if we want to make the setup of industry, that time we can set the industry from the or to other side, means where the people are residing, from long distance from the residence. We can set the industrial area on long distance. Is it right?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Do you understand now?
Yes.
So this is for your evaluation. This is the food chain. And now, can you tell me what do you see in the picture?
Producer means sun, water, primary customer, grass,
Yes.
shopper, frog, secondary customer,
water,
trading customer, final customer.
frog, snake,
Okay. And who makes the grass, beta?
Sun and water.
Soil and water makes the grass. And who eat the grass?
animals,
Primary consumers like grasshoppers, deer, and all other animals.
Yes.
And what is the food of frog?
Grasshopper.
Grasshopper. And small animals like grasshopper. And what is the food of snake?
Frog.
grass,
Frog.
Frog. Okay. And what is the food of eagle?
Snake.
Snake. Okay. And when the eagle or hawk, we say, if they die, they get decomposed in the soil, and on that soil we can see there is grown fungi grown on that soil, means plants grows on that soil, means everything that is present in environment is useful for environment. So we have to maintain their balance. Tell me, if frog is not there, what will happen to the food chain?
The snake will die.
not get food.
Okay, snake will not get food. And what will happen if snake will not get food?
The snake will die.
Snake will die. And what will happen if snake will die?
No, eagle has no food.
Eagle will not have food. And what happen if eagle will not have food?
There, he also die.
Yes. So eagle will also die, and soil will not get decomposer material, and there will not be fertilizer for soil. And if the soil will not get fertilizer, soil will not grow the crops and plants. Is it right?
Yes.
Okay. Tell me now, if there is no soil, what will happen?
The plant will have no growth.
Yes. Plants and grass will not grow. And then what will happen?
And then The grasshopper, like small animals, will die.
Animals will be die. Okay. So is it we can say sun, water, and soil is necessary to grow the plant. And tell me, if there is no sun, what will happen?
We all environment also die. We all
Yes.
environment die.
Yes. Means we all know that sun is very important. From sun we get the sun rays, and with the help of sun rays all the plants and grass make their food. If there is no sun, the plants will not grow, and if plant will not grow, grasshopper will not get his food. And if grasshopper will not get his food, frog, snake, eagle, all these plant animals will not get food. Means we can say that every element in the food chain is important. Every element in the food chains are of equal important. Is it right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Can you tell me uses of water? Any 3 uses of water?
For drinking, for washing, for dishwashing,
For dishwash. Okay.
and
And
for cooking.
okay, for cooking also. And what is the reason behind water pollution? Can you tell me any 3 reasons behind water pollution? Just now we have seen the slide.
Yes, sir. Can I?
Yes.
The factories
Yes.
throw water in the river,
Yes.
and we also wash our plates, wash clothes.
Yes. Washing clothes near the river side is also the
Yes.
reason behind water pollution. And can you tell me any 3 bad effects of water pollution? Which are the bad effects?
Vomiting,
Vomiting,
skin,
skin rashes.
rashes,
Yes.
Cancer,
Yes.
sir,
Yes, beta.
skin rashes, vomiting, and ill.
Okay. These are the major problems happening due to water pollution. And can you tell me a reason behind air pollution? Why air is polluting?
because factories chimney,
Yes.
And
Aeroplane, and we are using vehicles and motorcycle. That time we use petrol, diesel, means we are burning the petrol and diesel, and that petrol and diesel is making kerosene. That things are also making pollution. Is it right?
no.
No. If we ride the bicycle, taxis, that also makes the pollution, na?
Yes.
Yes. Yes. These are the reason behind pollution. Okay. Can you see the picture? Can you see the slide?
Yes.
The question for you is, if a dam is built at a particular place, what changes will be seen in the environment? So you have to answer, and you can use these 6 points. If a dam is built on a particular place, what changes you will see there in reference to the water? Yes, beta.
So, number 1 is answer. Because dam has water.
Okay, so explain your answer with the help of this point. Explain your answer with the help of water. What will happen to the water? Water will increase or decrease? You have to say.
Decrease.
Yeah, okay, so there will be so much of water, and all the people living in that area will get enough water. Okay, water for agriculture, water for drinking, water for animals, water for plants, means everything there will be happy if we built a dam on that area. Is it right?
Yeah.
And what will happen to the plants? Explain your answer.
Sir, plants Plants also get water.
Plants will get enough water, and every plant
Yeah.
will grow there. Okay.
Yeah.
And if plant grows there, all the animals which are depend on plant, they will get their food.
Yes.
Means if there is deer and any other animal, cows, buffaloes, everything will get the food. And if this animal get food, all other animals like wild animals or any other animals also get their food. Means we can keep the balance of environment. Is it right?
Yes.
Okay. And third point, what will happen to the animals?
The animals get living.
Animals get living.
Animals also get water.
Animal also will get water. And why animal will live there, beta?
Because he got the water.
Yes, because there are so many plants and trees and grass and everything that is required for animals. So animal will like to live there. Yes.
Yes.
So animal can't go here and there to search the food and water. If they are getting that food and water at that place, they will like to live outside that area only. And what will happen to the birds?
The birds have bathing, drinking, and
Yes. So if there is water, there will be very small insect, and that insects are the food of birds. So the birds from outside area will also come to that dam. Is it right?
yes.
So the birds from other area will also migrate from that place to the dam place, and they will remain forever for that on that dam, because they are getting food, they are getting water, they are getting trees to live. So they would like to live only there. Yes.
Yes.
So these changes will be seen if we build the dam on such place. And what will happen to the agriculture?
That
If a dam is built on a particular place, how agriculture will be beneficial? Can you tell me?
agriculture.
Think.
Agriculture will get the enough water.
Agriculture will get enough water. We see there is a rainy season, but the water we get from rainy season is not enough for the agriculture. Means crops such as sugar cane, lime, and we can say grapes, and all other agriculture crops required so uh, large means large quantity of water. So to get enough water, this dam will be very useful. And when there is a such a dam, we can say there will be a canal passing from the that dam, and all the farmer will get enough water, and they can grow the all plants which they want to grow in their field. And if such plants and crops grow in the field, the economic condition of that farmer will also be developed. So means this dam is very useful to the plant, animal, birds, and farmer also. And last, what will happen to the environment and man?
The environment and man get many water.
Yes. So we can see there will be environmental balance, means everything that plant, animal, birds, and farmers, peoples, all these will be satisfied with the water, and the environmental balance will be neat. So these all are the uses if we build river or dam on a particular place. So these thing we can do. Have you seen any dam?
Yes.
Can you tell me the name of that dam?
Because I cannot know the dam.
Any one dam which is in your district, which is near about your house.
No.
River, name of any river.
Yamuna,
Yamuna, yes. And then
Krishna, Godavari.
yes, all these are the names of river. Can you tell me now names of dam? Have you heard the name of Nath Sagar, Jaikwadi Dam, Nath Sagar, Ujni? Okay, so all these are the names of dams. You can find on the net also names of dams, and you can collect the picture also. Okay. Now this is question for your homework. So first question is, what do you mean by the environment? Can you tell me what is mean by environment?
The environment means us. We
Yes.
plants, man,
Soil, water, sun, yes, yes,
animals.
yes. Everything that is living and everything that is non-living things all together come makes environment. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Can you tell me which things are there in your surrounding? Can you tell me name of any 2 or 3 things?
Surrounding.
Yes. Anything which is living or which are non-living things.
Living things mean plants,
Yes.
animals,
Yes.
trees,
Yes.
and we also.
Okay. And which non-living things are there in your surrounding?
Table, stool, washing machine, cupboard, pencil, eraser.
Yes. Soil, stones, rocks. Okay. Water. All these are non-living things. Okay. What are the reasons of deforestation?
Deforestation.
Means cutting cut off trees.
trees.
Yes, yes. And which are the reason behind cutting trees? Why do we cut the trees?
The buildings.
For making buildings. Okay.
Houses.
Making houses. Very good.
Factories.
Yes. Setting up the factories.
And furniture.
Furniture. For furniture. Very good, beta. For making roadways.
Yes.
Railways.
Railway tracks.
Railway tracks. Railway stations. Metro stations. Air stations. You can tell so many reasons. There are so many reasons behind deforestations. Yes. For making houses, for making hotels,
Yes.
for making hospitals, for making sport grounds. Also, we cut the trees to make the sport grounds. Sports like cricket, football, all these sports required big grounds. Do you know?
Yes.
Is it right?
Yes.
Which sport is in nowadays is going on the channel, on sport channel?
Cricket.
Yes. And name of that cricket is IPL. Is it right?
Yes.
Do you see the IPL matches?
No. My mama watch.
Okay. So such sports also required big grounds, and to make such big grounds also we cut the forest, we cut the trees. So this is also the reason behind deforestation. Do you understand now?
Yes.
Okay. How can we control deforestation? Can you give your innovative idea? If you think, how can we control deforestation? Can you tell me?
Not cut trees.
Yes. Cutting minimum trees. Yes. And
The grasshopper like small not will die.
okay. No, but tell me, how can we control deforestation? How can we control? We have to control deforestation. So what can we do if we want to control deforestation?
Growing the plants. We will
Yes.
plant many plants.
Yes, very good. That's very innovative idea. We can grow the plants, we can plant the trees on open spaces, and also we can grow the plants on farm side. We can also throw the seed outside the railway track or outside the roadways. If we eat the fruit, that time also we can throw such beans to outside road, and so these plants will grow there, and there will be so many trees and plants, and these trees and plants will be helpful us to maintain the environment balance. Okay, and when we cut one or two tree for any emergency, that time also we can plant 4 trees. Means if we cut 2 trees, we have to grow 4 trees. If we cut 4 trees, that time we have to grow 8 trees. The number should be double. Is it right?
Yes.
Sometime it will be very necessary to cut that trees, but no problem. But if we cut that trees, that time we have to plant the double trees. What should we do?
We plant double tree.
Yes, so that will be the benefit to the environment, and we will also feel very happy. Is it right?
Yes.
Have you planted any trees yet?
And we plant like chili
Yes,
and a lemon
yes,
and tej patta
yes,
and
yes. Very good.
plant.
Yes. So these are all the innovative ideas that we can do to control the deforestation. Okay. Can you tell me now, what will you do to avoid water pollution? What will you do to avoid water pollution? You know the reasons behind water pollution. So which things can we do, you think, to control water pollution?
We not made factories and not pollute,
Water, yes.
and we not send the water in gutters water.
Yes. And one more thing we can do, as a farmer, we should use minimum use of fertilizers and chemical fertilizers. Yes. And what other things we can do?
We cannot make side the water houses.
Yes. And one more thing we can do, if there are big industries, we can tell them to do not directly let their water come in river directly. Means they can process that water, and once the water is filtered, that time only they can leave that water in the river. Is it right?
Yes.
And can you tell me other methods to avoid water pollution?
We cannot
Do you know we throw the garbage, we fake the waste material directly into the river, directly into the gutters. That thing we can do. We should not throw our garbage or our waste material directly into the gutters or in the rivers. We can all that collect in the dustbin, and we can give that dustbin to the
garbage getter.
Garbage collector or garbage getter. So this thing will be there. So in this way we can avoid water pollution. And last question, what are the bad effects of air pollution?
Bad effects of air pollution.
Yes.
Asthma.
Yes.
We cannot get breathing.
Yes.
And
Problem in hearing. We can face the problem of hearing. Is it right? And what bad effect will be there on plants and animals, other animals?
the birds will die because they are flying in the sky.
Yes. So the microwaves come into their brain, in their head, so they can't fly, they will die. Microwaves like such as mobile phones and TV set, volume of TV set, volume of DJ, volume of any music. So all these causes disturbance to the other living things also. So take a screenshot of homework. I have explained you in detail, and you have to write your homework in your notebook, and you can set the pictures me. Have you taken screenshot? Have you taken screenshot?
Yes.
Okay. And before leaving our session, I would like to tell you, stay home, stay safe. Use mask, maintain social distance, and wash your hands after every 20 minutes. So we will be safe from corona virus. And thank you for attending my class. Thank you, students.